Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. You've seen the title, you know what we're doing this time. I'm gonna be creating a Halloween look. It's so not like me. I don't really do Halloween looks or anything like that, but you know, this is a season. I'm gonna do like a glam pumpkin skull kind of look, and I actually got inspired with this look by this girl. I'm just gonna insert the picture in here so you guys can check it out as well. I already have a foundation and setting powder on. As you see in this picture, basically we need the orange color and a black color, so I'm considering to go with a Mina All the Colors palette. We're just gonna go with this orange shade in here. Gonna take the crease blend by b.u.beauty. I'm basically concentrating with the shade in the middle because we're gonna use a black one on the inner and outer corner. You know what? I changed my mind. I want an orange color to be deeper than the palette in the Mina, so I went for the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and then this orange shade instead. Just going all over my mobile lid, concentrating kind of in the middle because in and outer corner gonna be black shade anyways. I'm gonna go with this orange lower lash line as well. As I said, I already have a foundation on and setting powder. So I'm doing a slightly bit in the eye corner, just what's left on the brush because we're gonna do like skull pumpkin. So that's why I'm just blending in here a bit. And I'm gonna contour my nose with the same, while we're still here, you know, color. So I'm just gonna go like a normal contour kinda, just to shape a bit. And then I'm gonna make it more intense a bit. While I'm at this orange shade, let's just do everything orange and then we can do what is left with black. I'm just gonna go with the same orange shade from Bright's palette and gonna do contour with that and do my lips and so on. So I'm just gonna take Precision Contour Brush by b.u. and then this orange shade. So we basically wanna do this in here and then go like this, like a skull would be. Makes sense? I'm gonna take the contour brush. I'm gonna go heavier with this orange shade. Let's finish off the eyes and then I'm gonna do the rest of the cheekbones, nose and the lips. So for the eyes I need a black shade, so I'm coming back to this Mina All the Colors palette and then the black shade. I'm gonna take for this Universal Base by b.u.beauty. I'm just gonna go in an eye corner. Tap this in, kind of shape it a bit. I'm gonna go up to the eyebrow, into the eyebrow. So the outer corner I'm staying closer to the lash line and then just blending what's left on the brush up. Before I'm gonna go with eyeliner, I wanna do black all over. So let's just contour nose. So I'm gonna start from under in here, just using whatever is left on the brush so far. I'm not adding more black. Doesn't need to be symmetrical once again. Okay, let's go on this part. We're gonna add a little bit of the eyeshadow and the rest will be a liner. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna quickly apply the lippy I want to use because we're gonna overdraw. Actually, we can overdraw now. So I'm just gonna use the Precision Liner Brush by b.u.beauty. I'm gonna go with this orange shade. I'm just gonna overdraw heavily the lips and then we're gonna fill in with the lippy. I'm taking the same brush I used for orange shade, the Precision Contour Brush. I'm gonna buff this in a bit. Alright, the most orange shade I have from a lippy is one by Stila, Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the color Dolce. Any warm nude shade will do in here. Okay, let's darken up the brows a bit. So I'm gonna use the Ash Cosmetics liner in Onyx. Gonna add a bit of Inkblot. Gonna take b.u.beauty eyeliner and bronze brush for that. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same eyeliner. I'm gonna do the eyeliner through here. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this eyeliner and eyeliner brush and basically just gonna do a lot of lines. We're gonna start from the brows. I'm just gonna go up with a lot of lines. Let's do the cheeks. I'm gonna use the same eyeliner. I'm gonna go with a line in here to here, and then a line in here to here, and then we're gonna draw lines down. And then we're just gonna draw lines down. So I'm kind of filling in some parts. So I want it to be like messier looking a bit. Makes sense. So with these lines you can be basically messy. Like you can go, you see I'm going differently. I'm gonna do some like lines on the lower lash line, and then we can do the lips, like horizontal lines and then vertical lines. Let's do the lips and we're done. Okay, I think this look calls for dramatic eyelashes, so I'm gonna go with Sweet Ida Ekman Edition 3D lashes. Ida was very kind actually, she sent me these, so thank you Ida. This is what I'm gonna try to use right now. Okay guys, lashes is on. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna go with my current favorite, which is Ciate Wonderland Mascara. And the look is complete. What do you guys think? As you guys seen, this makeup look is super easy to create, doesn't require much skills or anything like that, especially with black lines. Basically just, you know, scrub on. As you see, you don't need much. You need a black shadow, orangey shadow, and black eyeliner. Basically that's it. So super easy, especially for like a last minute, you know, parties or anything like that. And I love that it's, you know, kind of pumpkin skull, so kind of includes both Halloween symbols, you know, pumpkin and skull. It's super easy to create. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you're gonna go for this look. Perfect for last minute, as I said, no much blending involved or anything like this. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Super important part. Doesn't cost you a penny, doesn't hurt either, but naturally gonna support me. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Ciao.